guys, in today's Python DSC video, I am telling about the depth first search. So yeah, I am telling about that. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with loving. So guys, in today's Python DSC video, I am telling you about depth first search. So let's learn about that. So now, there's one graph has been made it. Like in this graph, you can write the number also like 1, like 2 here, then 3 here, then 4, then here you can write like 5, then here you can write like 6, 7, and 8, then 9, then here you can write like 10. Like that this type of graph has been made it. I have made it for you. Here you can see it. Now, why make this graph? First of all, this is called a depth first search. The topic is depth first, and like in the previous video, I make a one graph, and that graph there is write in the numbers, and here I have write the number like 1, and then 2, then 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10. Like one graph is making like 1 to 3 has been gone, then 3 to 5 has been gone, then 5 to 10 has been gone, and then 1 to 2 has been gone, then 2 to 6 has been gone, then 6 to 9 has been gone, then here 2 to 7 has been gone, then here 1 to 4 has been gone, then 4 to 8 has been gone. Here you can see it. Like this one graph has been made, and like 2 to 6 has been gone, then 2 to 7 has been gone. Like this one graph has been made it like that. Here you can see it. Now, question. Implement the depth first search for a given node in a graph using Python. Like, implement the depth first search for a given node in graph using Python. Like, what I was saying, you can implement the depth first search for a given node in a graph. Like this one graph has been made it. Here you can see it. This graph has been made it. So what you can do in that graph, you can implement the depth first search for a given node in a graph using Python. Like this one graph has been made it, like it is going 0 to 1, 1 to 1 to 2, then 2 to 3, then 3 to 4, then 4 to 0, 4 to 1, 3 to 1, like that. This graph has been made it, and here write in the 0, then here write in the 1, and here write in the 2, and here write in the 3, and here write in the 4. Like here you can see it. Now, this one code has been rotated. Here you can see it like that. Here you can see it. Now, here one thing has been made it like empty stack push pop. Like in the empty stack there is nothing. What? In the empty stack there is nothing. Let me small it. And in the push tag there is the one number by the name of one number like 1. Here you can see it. Here is one number. Like, let me show you. In here there is one number. Let me one number. Means like in the push there is one number, and in the second push there is two numbers. What? There are two numbers, 1 and 2. Okay, now there are two numbers. Okay, now let me do like that. And in the third push there is the three numbers. Name 1, 2, 3, like that. 3 numbers. Now, in the fourth there is a pop, and in there is first 1, then 2, then there is one gap, then 3, then okay. Now what is that called? That is called there are 3 numbers with gap in between 3 and 2, like that. Now that I have been written. So this is called like what you can understand. Like this first is empty stack. There is in this empty stack there is nothing, and then there is one another stack by the name of push, and in the push stack there is only only one and number, and in the second push there is only two numbers, and in the third there are three numbers, and in the fourth there are three numbers, but in the between of 3 and 2 there is one gap and three numbers. Okay, now let me clean it. Now here you can see this just I am giving you one example. Here you can see it. So here you can see it. I am told you about in this video I told you about the depth first search. Here you can see it. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share a friend, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also. And I appreciate your support today. We genuinely appreciate my work, so please let your friends know about this course too. And if you haven't checked my whole playlist yet of Python DSS, so please check go to the code.pk.com on my YouTube channel, so you can easily access it and bookmark it also. So now I'm meeting next lesson, next very amazing class like that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.